is required. With example we have examined. Now you see certain cases are there where no article or zero article is required. No article is required. That we will study today. Okay, no article means wherever article is not at all required, what are the cases? We will see. Okay, children, you know certain things are there, no article is required. Suppose I will write music is divine. Here no article is required. But when you write music of Honey Singh, you have to write one article. Here we have to write the. Why? Because we are particularly mentioning the music of a particular person. So here the is required. So in the first sentence you see no article is required because I have written one abstract thing, music. No article is required. But when I particularly wrote about one singer, I have to use one article. Another example you see common nouns, cats mew. No article is required, cats mew. So why it is a common noun, cats? But the cats I breed are black. Yesterday I have written this example also. Why I used the article? Because I talked about particular cats, those who are black in color. That's why I used one article. So like this, no, we will see the rules. How certain cases articles are not required, how in certain cases articles are required. Certain rules are there. We will check the rules one by one and I will write with examples so that it will be clear to you. So two examples I gave you. In the first example, no article. Second one, it is required. Similarly, here no article was there, but in the second one, it was required. Noun was same. The music or music. Noun is same. But in the first instance, there is no article. Wherever in the second article is there. Clear? Now we will see why articles are used in certain before certain nouns. Why articles are not used before certain nouns. Now you see, we will study some rules by which we will see that articles are no more in use. So articles are two. One is definite, one is indefinite. We have examined both definite and indefinite article. So in this period, we will see the rules. No article is required. Number one, no article before common nouns. Before common nouns. So article is not required before common nouns. For example, I will write women are jealous by nature. Okay, you see, cats mew. I wrote about common nouns in the first and in the second. No article is required. Why? It is a common noun. So before common nouns, no article is required. Rule number one. Okay. With the example, I gave you two examples. Wherever you can use common nouns, no article is required. Now, second one, before the name of particular people, before the name of particular people, no article is required. For example,
Sir, please tilt the camera right side.
Okay, just 1 second, 1 second. This is water is everywhere. No, moving is very dangerous. This much only is coming.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Okay, okay. I will write in the middle now. I will not write in that side. Because you know, children, due to the rain, no, water is everywhere. So moving little bit also dangerous. Okay. Then you see before names, for example, Mr. Gulati is our principal. If you write like this, no article is required. Why? Because before particular names, we don't use any article. Then rule number 3, okay, before the name of institutions, before the name of institutions, we don't use any article. Jawaharlal Nehru of University or Hindu University. Okay, Aligarh Muslim University, Atomic Energy Central School, Central Library. We are writing the name of the institutions. Before that, no article is required. No article is required before name of institutions. That is the third rule. Then fourth one, okay, before months of year and days of the week. Before months of year and the days of the week, we don't require any article. For example, February, January, March, August, whatever you say, we don't use any article. Last Monday, I was in Delhi. Friday, I went to temple. When you use this, you don't need any article. Just I will set the camera. It's not showing full. 1 second, one.
No, sir. Please tilt the camera right side. Sir, tilt the camera right side and downwards.
You will write in the middle.
Sir, clear हो गया.
Clear now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because water is everywhere. Moving somewhere means dangerous. If you slip and fall. Okay. So we have examined the rule before the name of institution, before the months of the year and days of the week, we do not use any article. Now let us go to rule number 5. Shall I rub number 1? You have noted down, no?
Yes, sir, noted.
Okay, very good. So 1 and 2, I am rubbing this side and writing. Okay. Now another rule says that name of the seasons. For example, winter season, rainy season, we don't use any article before name of any season. Any season when no article, zero article. Article is not required before any season. Say rainy season, winter season, any season you name, you don't need any article before that. Da January, da February we are not telling. January, February, March, April, like this we are telling. So before seasons also you don't need any article. The next rule is that when we talk about lunch, when we talk about dinner, when we talk about breakfast, when we talk about supper, we don't use any article before meals. So in a day, you can have one breakfast, one lunch, one supper, one dinner. So I am going for supper. I am not telling I am going for the dinner. I am going for dinner. I am going for lunch. I am taking breakfast. I am telling. I am not telling I am taking the breakfast. I am going for a supper. I am not telling. I am going for an dinner. I am not telling. I am telling I am going for supper. I am taking breakfast, or I am going for breakfast, or I am taking lunch. I am going for lunch. Like this, I am telling. So before a meals, say breakfast or lunch or supper or dinner, I am not using any article. So the rule says before any meal, maybe breakfast, maybe lunch, maybe supper, maybe dinner, no article is required. Okay. Then you see when we are using any particular time of the day also, morning, afternoon, evening, night, dawn, dusk, we are not using any article. For example, when I am alone at night, when I am telling I am alone at night, I am not telling I am alone at the night. Okay. It is difficult to drive at night, I am telling. So any time, before time of the particular time, we don't use article before any time of the day. Say afternoon, morning, evening, dawn, dusk, night, we are not using any article. Similarly, before the name of relation, he is my brother, I am telling. He is my brother, I am not telling. So before the name of relations, father, mother, brother, sister, we are not using any article. So before relations also, we don't use any article. Before relations. What are the relations? The relation may be father, mother, uncle. We do not use any article. Then you see, one more important rule is there. No article is used before phrases which have a preposition. This is a little bit understanding is required. When there is a phrase, so you know phrases, they are followed with a preposition. Otherwise, separately, they will not have any meaning. So when there is a phrase followed by a preposition, you don't need any article. Okay. No article before phrases, particularly noun phrases. Phrases, okay, which have a preposition. Preposition is there, followed by a object, followed by one object. So wherever there is a phrase with a preposition followed by an object. You don't need an article. Example. To hold breath. To hold breath. See, here I am not writing to hold the breath. So this is the preposition. Okay. So this is the
Sir?
object. Yes.
सर
Yes.
सर वो आपने 9th वाले पॉइंट में क्या लिखा है शुरू से एक बार सेंटेंस बोलेंगे
No article before phrases. No article before phrases in bracket. Preposition followed by one object.
ओके सर
Yes. This is the preposition to followed by one object. So no article is required. To take a cake. One more example I gave. Then to listen to music. To listen to music. These are the example wherever preposition is followed by one object, no article is required. So last rule before languages.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the second example, you have written that to take a cake. But sir, in this article is being used.
To take cake. To take cake. No, A is not there. By mistake, I have written to take cake, to listen to music. So article is not used because the preposition is there followed by object. You are correct. You are correct. Okay. So last one before languages. So before languages, for example, English, Hindi, Persian, Arabic, whatever language you write, no article is required. Example, I am studying Hindi. You are not telling I am studying the Hindi, the English. You are telling that I am studying Hindi. I am studying Arabic. I am studying English, like this. So if you mention any language, no article is required. So 10 rules we have seen. Wherever no article is required, article 0. So sometimes no, in omissions. In unedited passage, you have two types. One is unedited passage, one is the omission. So in omission, when we are told 0 article means it will be helpful for you. Okay. So in this way, we have the link grammar was article. We have examined fully. Okay. So again, we will go to the lesson and see what is left. Okay. So this is page number 66. We have solved the example. So all
Sir?
rules- yes.
Sir, what is meaning of super?
Supper, no. Supper means between the lunch and dinner. Whatever you are eating, that is called supper.
Okay, sir.
First breakfast. Why it is called breakfast? At night we are fasting, not eating anything. So when we eat first meal of the day, we break our fast. So it is called breakfast. Then lunch. Then between lunch and dinner, whatever you eat, supper. In English, there is a proverb: eat your breakfast like a king. Eat your eat your lunch like a common man. Eat your supper like a beggar. Means the first meal of the day should be heavy.
Sir, what about dinner?
Dinner, actually, most people know they do not take dinner in English countries. They do not take dinner. They eat supper and sleep. In our country, only people eat more. In their country, they are very health conscious. They don't eat more. Whatever is required, they eat. They are always smart. Why?
सर
Yes.
सर आपने 10th पॉइंट पे बिफोर के बाद क्या लिखा है?
To this one.
नो सर
Before
10th पॉइंट.
languages. Before languages. Suppose you want to, so I am studying English. You are not telling I am studying the English. I am studying Hindi. Not you are not telling the Hindi. So, okay. Then we will go to the text now and see whatever is left. So this article part totally we have covered. Then you see encircle the correct article, page number 67. Please come to textbook. Encircle the correct article means three options are there. Which is correct, we have to make a circle. Page number 67, you come to that. 66 we have done yesterday. 67. So, shall I rub now?
Yes, sir, noted.
Yes sir.
Okay, written.
Yes, sir, written.
Very good. Now come to page number 67. Page. In the notebook, you write only answers. Encircle means make a circle before the correct article. There are three options. Which option is better? You please circle in the option and write that in the notebook.
Sir, can I tell the answer of first part?
Yes, yes. First one you tell.
Would you like an apple or a banana?
Yes, first one correct, N and A. So number 6. Answer to number 6. First one is N, then A. Both you have to encircle. Second, who will say? Would you like? I would like and the apple, please. I would like.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
An apple.
Sir, an apple.
Yes, yes. Very simple it is given. You can do. Those who cannot do, please note down in the notebook. Third one. Take
The
the red
the
one
red.
in the fruit bowl.
A fruit bowl.
So what is first one? Third. What will be the first article?
You may take a orange also.
First one,
If
the
you
red
like.
one.
The
Why the is definite article? Before one particular color is identified, red. So we have used the definite article. Take the red one
In a.
in a
No.
take the red one in a fruit ball.
fruit bowl. Okay. You may take
A orange also.
the orange also if you like. So again the is coming. Encircle it. Then B, which one? A. A and the one beside
The one
the
beside
banana.
a
Here,
banana.
last one, what will be the answer?
The one beside a banana.
The one beside
The
the
one
banana.
beside the banana.
The banana. Because about
one
banana
beside
we have talked earlier. So definite article, the and the.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please write down in the notebook. We will go to the next.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Very good. Now, speaking and writing. So, do you remember an anecdote or story about a greedy or jealous person and the unhappy result of his action? Narrate the story to others in your class. Here is one for you to read. So, what we have to do? We have to write one imaginary story. So, one story is there. Seeing an old man planting a fig tree, the king asked why he was doing this. The man replied that he might live to eat the fruit, and even if he did not, his son would enjoy the figs. Well, said the king, if you do not live to eat the fruit of this tree, please let me know. The man promised to do so, and sure enough, before too long, that tree grew and bore fruit. Packing some fine figs in a basket, the old man set out for the palace to meet the king. The king accepted the gift and gave orders that the old man's basket be filled with gold. Now, next door to the old man, there lived a greedy old man, jealous of his neighbor's good fortune. He also packed some figs in a basket and took them to the palace in the hope of getting gold. The king, on learning the man's motive, ordered him to stand in the compound and had him pelted with figs. The old man returned home and told his wife the sad story. She consoled him by saying, "You should be thankful that our neighbor did not grow coconuts." So you see, it is a funny tree. A fig tree may be looking funny, but it is a nice tree. So the story is theme is same. How? Because in our story, the honest, hardworking old man was rewarded, and the wicked, cruel old man was punished. So similarly, what happened? Same theme, one story is told. So can you write one story means you can write. This will be totally imaginary story. Imaginary, no reality. If you can imagine and write, it is well and good. Okay, see the theme. The theme should be that the good should be rewarded, the cruel should be punished. That you keep in mind before writing the story. At the end, you must show that the good person, honest, hardworking person is rewarded, and the wicked person is punished. If you can write, you do it in the notebook. Let us move to page number 68. So here is a jumbled words. So you are getting jumbled words in the exam also. So what we have to do? We have to arrange them in proper order. Okay. Jumbled words to make meaningful sentences. Okay. Jumbled words to make meaningful sentences. Page number 68.
He writes in both Hindi and English.
Yes. English and Hindi, he writes both in English and Hindi. Please check your answers. Both in
He writes both in English and Hindi.
English and Hindi. First sentence. Okay, second one, who will tell? So beginning is there. Use the correct punctuation marks. And only a few short stories, many books in English, in Hindi. He has written, Rabikant is a writer and he writes both in English and Hindi. Of course, he is much happier writing in English than in Hindi. He has written many books in English and only a few short stories in Hindi. So many books in English, but
Many books in English and
a
only few stories in Hindi.
only few short stories in Hindi. In Hindi. Many books.
Sir,
Yes.
I find his books a little hard to understand, but they are very interesting.
Yes. I find his books a little hard to understand, but they are very
Sir,
interesting. But where to write this? He is much happier writing in English than in Hindi. He has written. Okay, we have done it. Then where to write this?
Sir, last
Is
में
my
gap
Hindi?
है.
Yes. My Hindi is better than my English. My Hindi is much better than my English. Last sentence. Okay.
My Hindi is much better than my English.
Okay. Fourth
Sir.
one. Yes. My Hindi is.
सर हम सेकंड वाले सेंटेंस में ऐसा नहीं लिख
Second,
सकते
you see,
मैं
Ravikant is a writer, full stop, and he writes both in English and Hindi, full stop. Of course, he is much happier writing in English than in Hindi. He has written many books in English and only a few short stories in Hindi. I find his books a little hard to understand. Full stop. Okay. Then you can write, my Hindi is much better than my English. My Hindi is much better than my English. Wherever blank is there, we are filling up by joining the jumbled words in a meaningful manner. Okay. Now the last one. Last one you see. Are you reading stories? Did you read one last month? So read one or two and then write a paragraph about the story. Use the following hints. Title of the story, name of the author, how many characters, which one you like, some details of the story. So about story writing, I will tell you how to write a good story. Some tips I will give, then you will write. You see, story writing is an art. All cannot write good stories because that is a creative art. You can make a story simply, it must be interesting. The gist of the story must have a moral. The story must have a moral. The story must be interesting. At the same time, the story should be written in such a way that tense of the story should be properly linked. You started with past tense and wrote in present tense. How will you link? Then logical development of thought. The plot, main plot of the story you have to develop. Then you see, you have to write in such a way that a reader will appreciate your story. You are not writing for you, you are writing for certain section of the people. So if you write the story, you write, make it interesting, give a suitable title. Why title? Because title will be the summary of the story almost. The greedy neighbor means to any part of the story from beginning to the last, the title should be applicable. Any part of the story, the title must be appropriate. Then only your title is justified. Otherwise, your story have no value. So, some tips about story writing I will give you next period. So, you complete all this. Any doubt is there, you will please tell me.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay, you fair notebook.
No doubt, sir. All clear.
Okay, okay, all clear. You please maintain the notebook also in case school reopens. We will ask for the notebook. Notebook mark is there also. Okay. So about
Sir, when will school reopen?
don't know, some order we are waiting. If the government, because in some other states schools have opened, so it may open. Rajasthan government will give order means school may reopen anytime. Okay. So keep the notebooks ready. 5 marks are there for these notebooks. Please maintain it properly with the index, with the date, name of the chapter, serial number, everything you make ready in fair notebook. 2 notebooks in English, 1 for this reader, 1 for supplementary. Please maintain properly. Okay, children? Okay, okay then.
present, sir.
Yes. I will take by mail, I will take. Just 1 second. Okay.